Hello my dear students. So we have already learned the poem of first chapter photograph. But we have not learned about the first chapter and the title is the portrait of a lady. So in this, the portrait, what does it mean? Portrait means one kind of picture. But here portrait means description in words. Description in words. Which kind of description is here? So let me tell you that this is a short story written by खुशवंत सिंह जो किसने लिखी है? खुशवंत सिंह ने, in which he has explained means described description in word about one of the most famous character, grandmother. So here Khushwant Singh talked about his grandmother. Here we can see the friendship between Khushwant Singh and his grandmother. दोनों के बीच के फ्रेंडशिप की बात है. Obviously, each and every children likes their grandparents, especially grandfather, grandmother who loved us too much. जो हमें बहुत प्यार करते हैं. Even we too loved them too much. हम भी उनको बहुत चाहते हैं. So this character is most important for everyone. ये सबके लिए important character है. So here Khushwant Singh has explained about grandmother. He said that the portrait of a lady, here lady means who? Grandmother. And with that lady he has a deep relationship. उसके साथ बहुत अच्छे relationship थे. The feeling of love with his grandmother. यहाँ पे feeling बताई गई है. With his grandmother. And he just talked about his grandmother, like grandmother was having 4 kinds of features. 4 things about grandmother he talked about, that grandmother was fat and slightly bent. जिसको हम कहते हैं वो झुके हुए होते हैं ना, एक्चुअली बैंड झुके हुए थे थोड़ी सी. Grandmother was having wrinkled face. She was having wrinkle on her face. She was always prayed. I'm sorry. Prayed. So you can see here that grandmother was fat and slightly bent, झुकी हुई थी. She was having wrinkled face and she was always prayed, हमेशा pray करती रहती थी. With bits of a portrait of a lady written by Khushwant Singh. He said that my grandmother, like everybody's grandmother, obviously my grandmother is also looked like whoever the person is having the grandmother. All the grandmother looks like Singh, means aged. Was an old woman. She had been old and wrinkled for 20 years that I had known her. Khushwant Singh said that since 20 years I have known her, but I can see unchanging face of my grandmother. जो अभी मैंने यहाँ पे 4 features लिखे हुए थे, then I have written wrinkled face. Author said that she was having wrinkled face and she was looked the same since last 20 years. She was very old woman. People said that she had once been young and pretty and even had a husband. So he said that I have heard something about her from many of the people, that she was being a beautiful woman in her past and she might be a pretty woman. वो शायद बहुत beautiful थी, बहुत pretty थी, मैंने ऐसा सुना है. And at least I can say that she was aged woman, and obviously in her younger age she looked beautiful. She was having husband also, but that was hard to believe. But what is the thing that hard to believe? Khushwant Singh said to us. Khushwant Singh said that my grandmother might be beautiful in her younger age, or pretty might be, but this is hard thing to believe for me. ये मैं नहीं believe कर सकता, just because I thought that she was very ugly woman. वो कभी खूबसूरत होगी ही नहीं. Why he said like this? Just because since last 20 years, पिछले 20 सालों में उन्होंने उनको ऐसा ही देखा है, जैसे कि वो एक बूढ़ी वुमन है, तो वो प्रीति कैसे हो सकती है? वो बिलीव नहीं कर पा रहे कि लोग कहते हैं कि वो बहुत खूबसूरत हुआ करती थी, बट इट इज हार्ड थिंग टू बिलीव दिस. मेरे लिए तो बहुत हार्ड है. माई ग्रैंडफादर्स पोर्ट्रेट हंग अबाउट द mantelpiece in the drawing room. So he said that my grandfather's portrait means a picture, we have hung on the wall just above mantelpiece. Do you know what is the meaning of mantelpiece? The place where the foreigners, जो foreign country में होता है, यहाँ पे नहीं, just because that temperature was too down in comparison of our country. हमारी country से ज़्यादा वहाँ का temperature माइनस में होता है. So they are having one specific place where they can burn fire. जहाँ पे वो क्या कर सकते हैं? Fire को burn कर सकते हैं. And that place is called mantelpiece. ऐसी जगह होती है जहाँ पे क्या होता है? Fire place. यहाँ पे fire होता है. And here the grandfather's photo is there. So he explained this kind of place over here. So that place was in drawing room, and the portrait means picture hung above the wall. And he said that about him that he wore a big turban in that picture. His grandfather has wore big turban and loose fitting clothes. काफी खुले कपड़े पहने हुए थे उसमें. His long white beard, काफी लंबी उनकी beard थी, covered the best part of his chest, and this beard was still covered his chest. उसकी chest भी cover हो जाए उतनी बड़ी उनकी beard थी. And he looked at least 100 years old. His grandfather he believed that looked like 100 years old man. जैसे कि 100 साल पुराना कोई इंसान हो वैसा लग रहा था. ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे कि उनके ग्रैंडफादर 100 साल के थे या उससे भी ज्यादा बूढ़े थे, ऐसा लग रहा था उन्हें. थ्रू आउट दैट पोर्ट्रेट, वो पिक्चर देख के बता रहे थे. He did not look the sort of person who would have a wife or children. His grandfather looked like he had never wife. ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे कभी उनकी वाइफ होगी ही नहीं. Since many years he was just a grandfather and who was having grandchildren. ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो सिर्फ दादाजी है और उनके सिर्फ बच्चे हो सकते हैं. Means grandson और granddaughters. ऐसा लग रहा था कि उनके सिर्फ grandchildren हो सकते हैं, बाकी उनमें कुछ नई खासियत नहीं थी. As for my grandmother being young and pretty, but he said about he comes to grandmother that as he was very pretty, young, the thought was almost revolting. Here you can see the word revolting. Revolting. Here revolting means disgusting. Disgusting means it is hard to believe that his grandmother was pretty and beautiful. That's why he used the word revolting over here. So I can say that she often told us of games and she used to play as a child that seemed quite absurd and undignified on her part. We treated it like a fables of prophet she used to tell us. She often told us many of the stories. She played games with us. She talked with us very nicely. जैसे कि दादा दादी करते हैं, हमें अच्छी अच्छी कहानियाँ सुनाते हैं. Many things he has given from the holy books, and from holy books we can get the stories of ancient time. वो चीज़ें जो हमें नहीं पता होती है, that we can get from our grandparents. So the same thing has done with this author Khushwant Singh, that he said that grandmother has given me this kind of stories. She had always been short and fat and slightly banged. Always she was fat, she was slightly banged and she was very short. उनकी height काफी छोटी थी. Her face was crisscross of wrinkles running from everywhere to everywhere. On her face, only wrinkle we can see. Wrinkle, I hope you know this thing. That's loose skin. जो skin loose हो जाती है, and then we can see the zigzag line. That is called wrinkle. So running from everywhere to everywhere. No, we were certain she had always been, as we had turned the page, known her, and obviously I know her that she was very old woman, and since last 20 years I have seen only wrinkles on her face. So terribly old that she could not have grown older. Now she cannot grow more older than this. अभी ही वो इतनी बूढ़ी है कि इससे ज़्यादा बूढ़ी वो नहीं हो सकती, and had stayed at the same age for 20 years. Since last 20 years, I just can say that she was not growing more. Said that since last 20 years, she was looking like the same woman. She can't be pretty, but she was always beautiful. खुशवंत सिंह यहाँ पे ये कहते हैं कि she stayed at the same age. उनकी एज रुक गई है. Now she cannot grow more than this. She was looking too much old-aged woman. And now the author said about his grandmother that she was not a pretty but a beautiful. So two of the words you can see over here, that pretty and another one is beautiful. So what looked like same, but here the meaning is different. Pretty means outsider beauty. Those who looked beautiful throughout the makeup, with the makeup and with all the things they have done with their faces. So it is just a beauty done with some of the material, but beautiful means inner beauty. Here beauty means inner beauty. So Khushwant Singh said that my grandmother was beautiful woman from the bottom of the heart. She hobbled about. What does it mean, hobbled about? Walked like. Hobbled about. Walked like lamb. जो कैसे होते हैं, अपाहिज होते हैं और जो ठीक से चल नहीं पाते हैं. So walked like a lamb. This is explained by Khushwant Singh that she was hobbled about the house in spotless white with one hand resting on her waist to balance her stoop. Stoop here means bend of body. Another word, stoop. We can say that bend of body. So she cannot walk straight, and that's why she was using her hand. And she put that hand on the waist to balance his body. उसकी body को balance करने के लिए वो क्या करती है? She was using her hand. And other telling the bits of her, resting on her waist to balance her stoop, and the other telling the bits of her rosary. Here we can see that bits of rosary. आपने रुद्राक्ष के वो देखे होंगे, मोती जैसे कुछ आते हैं bits. So she was always praying through that. Rudraks means beads. So she was always praying for the whole day. And her silver locks were scattered untidily over her pale. Puckered. Here we can say that pale means colorless. Pale means colorless. And here puckered. I'll tell you where is this word. So you can see the next line that white means saying that spotless white with one hand resting on her waist to balance her stoop, and the other tying the bits of her rosary. So two of the hands always busy with her work. One of the hand always she was using to put on the waist to balance her body, and second hand always she was praying with the beads. बिट्स ऑफ रोज जो हम रुद्राक्ष के मोती बोलते हैं उससे वो हमेशा क्या करती रहती थी, प्रे. सो बोथ द हैंड्स ऑलवेज बीन busy with the work. Her silver locks means उनके बाल. Silver means white and locks here means tufts. Lock means tufts. Now tufts means what? जो लट हम बोलते हैं बालों की, लट जो बोलते हैं उसको हम कहते हैं tufts. So her whitish hair and other talent, she was always looking pale. We can say that pale. Pale means colorless. Here we can say that pale, colorless fish. As she was not having much blood in her body, so she was not looking good. But she was having pale face and puckered. Puckered means wrinkled face. Here you can write the word also, puckered. Means wrinkled face. Here you can say that wrinkled face. As she was old age woman and her lips constantly moved in inaudible prayer. Inaudible means the grandmother always speaking something. Speaking means she always murmuring something regarding prayer. Even we cannot listen that properly. वो जो बड़बड़ा के गाते हैं वो बस भगवान का नाम लिए जा रही थी for the whole day. And yes, she was beautiful from the inner side and she was like a winter landscape in the mountains. Winter landscape, why the author is using? Just because she was not having that much of bloom on her face. उसके face पे उतना ज़्यादा तेज नहीं था. But she was always looking busy with her prayers. She was looked whitish face जिसमें blood नहीं था, काफी aged हो चुकी थी. That's why here author used the word that winter landscape. क्योंकि ये विंटर लैंडस्केप मीन्स क्या होता है, बर्फ होता है वहां पे, व्हाइटिश माउंटेन दिखते हैं, वैसा ही उनका फेस था. एंड एन एक्सपेंस ऑफ प्योर व्हाइट सेरेनिटी ब्रीथिंग पीस एंड कंटेंटमेंट. शी वाज ऑलवेज, हियर वी कैन से दैट द वर्ड यू कैन से सेरेनिटी. सेरेनिटी मीन्स काम. शी वाज ऑलवेज लुक्ड काम. She was doing her work only. She was not telling anyone to do anything. वो किसी को कुछ बोलती नहीं थी, वो अपना काम किए जा रही है, वो बस प्रार्थनाएं करती है. That's it. Means she was very satisfied with herself. वो खुद से बहुत satisfied थी. Here you can see the word contentment. खुद से ही बहुत satisfied थी. So till here you just have to read the chapter. The next part I will send you soon. Thank you.